So currently I have $580 in my Distrokid account and I'm about to withdraw it, but I wanted to show you guys the process and also walk you through exactly what I did to actually accumulate this money. So I'm in my Distrokid right now. And you can see this is all my music. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 songs right now. I released them all as singles. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually show you how much money I made from each song and what platform. So first thing you wanna do is you wanna go to the bank, because the bank is where all the money will be. DistroKid now requires you to input your information so they know where to send the money when you go to withdraw it. You can see here that it says stores are typically on a 2 to 3 month delay. So if you see not yet reported below, it means the royalty has not been released yet. There's a 2 or 3 month delay. So all the money that you see right here is probably not everything that I'm going to get from this song. This is all that I have currently in the bank for the DistroKid platform. But if we scroll down, it says $580.88. Now I could see the breakdown by artist, by song, or by service. We're gonna go into all 3 of those. And let's start with by artist. Obviously there's only one artist and that's me. Actually I have another one, it's a collab with my boy Selsley, and I've only made $68 from that one, but the rest I made $242 from, and that's a total of 104 streams. So here's my first thing. You see right here it says other and referrals. This is basically from you guys signing up to DistroKid by using my affiliate link. Affiliate marketing is one way for creators to make money. And this is why it's super important to switch from the artist mindset to a creator mindset. Because if you created your own channel, for example, my YouTube channel, you can start making money other ways that will help to subsidize the income from your music. So I got $270 worth of referrals. So 27 people signed up for my link, and that's about $10 each person. That's more than I made from my music within the last 2 to 3 months. So it took me 27 people to make $270, but 104,000 streams to make $242. So, making money alternative ways has so far paid off within the last 2 to 3 months more than my music has. So if that doesn't say something, then you guys should highly consider becoming creators, not just artists, but creators. Now going back to the bank, let's see, by song. So my song Believe had generated me the most money, $140, 53,000 streams. And that's because I promoted that song the most. I've ran ads to it. I've also put it in a lot of playlists. It's also gotten picked up by the Spotify algorithm a lot. But still, I need 53,000 streams to make $140 versus just 27 people to make $270. Wouldn't that make more sense for me as an artist to focus on making money through affiliates? I mean, it makes sense to me. But for you artists that only want to focus on making money from your music, I made $140 from my song Believe, $64 from Remember, $55 from Reflection, $20 from Fall Into Place, $11 from Prism, and about $10 from Brave New Vision. Here's my takeaway. My takeaway is it's way easier to make money in other ways than it is in music, unless you have a really huge organic reach. I think if you built a platform, for example, I've made way more money from YouTube ads as a musician and from affiliates than I have for my music. And imagine if you're splitting this. I use Distrokid because I make 100% of my royalties on Distrokid. If you're collabing with other artists, you have to split that money with other artists. If you are signed to a label, you have to split that money with labels. So you're not making nearly as much as I would. And on top of that, I've invested a lot of money into even getting my streams up to this point. So I'm probably in negative return when it comes to my music. However, other methods such as affiliates have pushed me over that bar. Ad revenue, affiliate revenue has maybe made more money as an artist than as a musician. So even the links in the description where I have my video equipment listed out, someone purchases that, I instantly make money from it. I'm just giving you guys another method or another way of making money as an artist. It doesn't only have to be from your music or streams. You could sell merch, you could sell other products, you could do affiliates. There's tons of ways to make money as an artist besides just streams. So let's go to services. iTunes, $13. Apple Music, $12. Spotify, $262. Everything else is nothing, pretty much. However, Distrokid referral program, $270. Talking about that, I'm actually going to drop the link under this video. So if you guys want to sign up for Distrokid and you don't have it yet, you definitely should, because one, I benefit from that, and two, it's free. You make 100% royalty. Actually, I'm lying. It's not free, but for $20 annually, you make 100% of your royalty, and you can upload as many songs as you want to the platform and distribute it to all the platforms as well. As you see here, I'm distributing all my music to all these platforms, and I only paid $20, and I make 100% of the royalty. So my final thoughts is, yes, you can make money from your music. It will take a lot of work, and it requires you to build your brand and use content to push your audience to actually listen to your music, or it takes a lot of collaboration. But either way, it's gonna take a very high volume of doing all of those things in order to generate just a little bit of money from your music. However, if you were to figure out other ways in addition to your music to make money, that will more than likely generate you a lot more money than just streams. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment below. Also, let me know what other methods you guys are using to actually make money. Definitely help out the community, because we're in this together. I'm sharing with you guys everything that I know, and I'm sure everyone else will find a lot of value from what you do as well as an artist to make money. So drop in the comments what you're doing, what you do to make money outside of streams.